Ohayo gozaimasu! Hey guys, good morning, and it's almost 9 p.m. and we are going to Banilad. Hi, sweet! Ohayo! So we are heading to Banilad for a dress up for a wedding because my friend is getting married today, and
At last.
and surprisingly, I'm the bridesmaid. I did not expect that I would be a bridesmaid. I'm too old. Yeah, but we're old already, so her friends are old already, so yeah. What else? Of course, her bridesmaids will be old too. Yeah, and we are like 15 minutes away from there. I don't know. Depends on the traffic, but we are already here at near Ayala. Well, near Mango Avenue. Yeah. Where is this? So this is my makeup. I already did my makeup. Actually, the wedding is still in the afternoon, but I need to do my friend's makeup, so that's why we're early. And there's you know guys, in a wedding there's a lot of choo, and yeah, supposedly her call time is 7 a.m. That's so early, and the wedding is still in the afternoon. So yeah, and I told her that I will not be there early because I will do my makeup already, so I don't need to be I don't need my makeup done there. Yeah, this is my handsome driver. He's my partner. So I'll see you guys there. Yeah, see you guys.
Relax so kami doon.
These are the other two lovely bridesmaids. Say hi, Sabi. Hi. See you later.
What is this? Click on the hires. You see.
Right now, the beautiful bride. Wow, bongga. Super cute. Lolo! Sa kaurasan na tugam.
Ikaw na luwat na.
Wakay tulganay.
Kung lang yun, no? Pwede na mamamodel dito.
So much for now. Pag-auma ni Kaligawan na sa ni ate. Mabalik na sa nindagway.
Hi guys! We're almost set, but it's still, it's almost 10 to 1, and I think we will leave her like 1:30 or something, I don't know, but yeah. Hi sweet! You look like Pinocchio.
Yeah.
Hi Cha!
Hello.
Uy, say hi sa man.
Hello.
Abukton, my God.
Yeah. Buktun, OMG. So, see you later guys. Bye. Hey guys, we're outside and I cannot talk loud. Hi Cha. Shh. We are waiting for a pictorial, and time check, it's already 1. And I don't know, yeah. Wait, let's go outside na. There, oh. Dito, oh.
Dali.
But, singtun taani ron. Alibon.
Wait sa.
Yeah, it's so hot. OMG. Wow, lighting's so good here, guys. And oh, by the way, this is in the portal, and this is located at Banilad, and it's near Country Mall. Yeah, it's pretty nice here, guys. Wow, but it's so freaking hot, and my makeup is melting. Can you see my pimple here? Kumusta naman dyan, Von? So yeah, these are my college friends.
Hi.
Yeah, Yvonne, Charito, and the rest is there. The rest is there. Only Farah. Yeah, because our other friend is getting married. And we are the bridesmaid. Asa pa mo ana, bridesmaid ako numi, and we are in our earliest. Oh.
Bitaw.
Diba? We are already in our earliest and we are bridesmaid. Bongga lang. Bongga, yeah. So, this is the place. This is located at Banilad, Cebu City. So, see you later guys. Maybe I'll do a little vlogging still at the church or at the reception. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye! Automatic.
Tiguang na ka. Ready, stand up all in 3, 2, 1, go!
No sound. Finally arrived at the reception. We'll sit closer to the food, guys.
Don't be sad. Don't be I kiss you. Tears away. And I to the bridge. I know.
Oh my god. There's no traffic and it is 9:25.
Ni mo na yung di-ari juday ka ng flower arrangement.
Super traffic.